Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Atul Tutorials. I, Shreya of class 8 CBSE, we are going to discuss on the topic crop production and management. So first, before get starting, we are going to know that what is agriculture. Agriculture is nothing but cultivating many crops at one place in a large scale is known as agriculture. So for agriculture there are 7 steps. So first is preparation of soil. So we have to prepare the soil very well to sow the seeds. So we can use plow, hoe or tractor is modern tool as it also saves labor and the time. And coming to the next is sowing. Sowing is also done as traditionally or modern. Traditionally, it's a funnel like structure and a beam, a rod, and bending a sharp end. We have to put the seeds in the funnel like structure. The seeds one by one drops at the soil. In modern, the seed drill is used. Seed drill is used as it sow the seed in the uniform way as the distance is equal. The traditional way is done by both animal and humans, but the modern is used by humans. Coming to the third, adding manure and fertilizers. And growing crop is a very important process. The crop should not get infected by the insects, so we have to use the manure or the fertilizers. The manure are naturally made and the fertilizers are man-made. There are advantages and disadvantages of both. Manure is naturally made, so it has some less ingredients to fulfill the crop nutrition that the crop want, but it's very useful for the crop also. The fertilizers are we can say only chemicals which are suitable and also not suitable. They are made in factories where the manure are made at a big pit of field. Coming to the advantages of manure, it enhances the water holding capacity of the plant. It makes the soil very porous, due to which the exchange of gases become easy, increase in the number of friendly microbes, and improves in the texture of soil. So coming to the fertilizers are very useful also. They make the plant grow very faster compared to manure. Some examples are NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, then sulfur phosphate, aluminium sulfate, etc. Coming to the fourth, irrigation. Irrigation is very important for the crop as it gives the supply of water to the crops at regular interval is known as irrigation. And there are so many sources of irrigation: rain, wells, tube wells, etc. Coming to the traditional methods of irrigation, there are many. Moat, chain pump, dhekli, rahat are some examples. But it do not saves water. Their modern method of irrigation like sprinkler system and drip system are very useful. They save the water. Coming to the next, protection from weeds. Now we will see what are weeds. The unwanted plants which grow naturally with our crop is known as weeds. They use the plant's nutrition, the crop nutrition, but they are not useful for us. We have to remove them. So they are controlled by using chemicals such as weedicides. And their example are 2,4-D. Coming to the next, harvesting. Harvesting is the last process of the agriculture. As our crop get fully grown, they are cut off. This is called harvesting. Harvesting is also done by the machine combine. When the crop is fully grown, the combine machine also separates the crop and the seed from it. It is also done by winnowing. It's the traditional method. Coming to the important and last one, storage. We have to store the grains carefully, as the insects should not be came there and make our crop harm. So these are also protected by using neem leaves, etc. Chemicals are also used. Go downs are also required to protect them. Chemical treatments are also important to protect the crop from the animals or the insects like rats, etc. So that was all about the agriculture. Thank you.